Yes, student, today we are going to pick the third chapter of your first part. First chapter, nature and significance of management, then principles of management as well as scientific management, two topics in a single chapter we just covered. We discussed the back exercise questions also related to that two chapters, and now we are going to pick our third chapter, that is business environment. What is the meaning of environment? In your lower classes, in your geo or geography, you might have heard about environment. So environment simply means surroundings. So our business do have certain surroundings. So without having the knowledge about having the familiarization of your surroundings, how can you make your surroundings happy? Okay, so what is being included in surrounding, about that the businessman should be familiar with. So our surroundings help us a lot. It is our surrounding which provides us raw material. It is our surrounding which provides us labor. It is our surrounding from where we get the customers and we used to sell the goods to our customers, etc. It is our surrounding which supply the goods in the form of suppliers to us. So surroundings के बारे में information होना बहुत जरूरी है. When we talk about surroundings in this chapter, he is talking about certain forces, and that forces he called general forces and specific forces. General forces are those forces which are common for everyone. Like जब government ने GST introduce किया तो that was common for everyone. Specific forces may vary from business to business. Like जो मेरे business house के customers हैं, जरूरी नहीं है कि वो मेरे competitor के भी customer हो, और जो competitor के customer है, जरूरी नहीं है वो मेरे भी customer हो. So that are being specified. Like my shareholders, like my investors, like my suppliers, they are varying from business to business. So specific forces में we will be including your customers, your investors, your shareholders, your clients, as well as your suppliers. So they may vary from business to business. But when I talk about general forces throughout this chapter, we will be talking about general forces that are also named as elements of business environment. General forces are also named as elements of business environment. I'm relating it with this, of business environment. So hereby we have 5 elements of business environment, and that are general for everyone. Sooner or later you will realize, yes, these elements are common for every business house. That are, let me write their names: social environment, legal environment, economic environment, technological environment, and then we have political environment. So these are the five elements about which we are going to read in this chapter. He has divided the chapter with the meaning of environment, with the features of environment, importance, and then ultimately he picked all the 5 elements, right? So about this you can also prepare your project. किसी एक element को लेके you can prepare the project, right? Let me introduce firstly a single line, or with the help of example I will just be telling you the highlights of these elements. When I talk about the social environment, so it includes our cultures and tradition. It even includes the composition of family in the society where you are running your business. Like इंडिया में कल्चर है कि फेस्टिवल सीजन में लोग ज्यादा खरीदते हैं, तो आप कोई भी बिजनेस हाउस देख लीजिए, हर बिजनेस हाउस फेस्टिवल सीजन की डिफरेंट क्या देता है, हमें ऑफर्स देता है. So they are acknowledging their surroundings, and accordingly they are taking into consideration the social environment of the business. ठीक है. Then legal का मतलब क्या है, हमारी सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने या हाई कोर्ट ने कोई भी लीगल कोई एक्ट पास किया है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल रिसेंटली few years back plastic bags have been banned. So that was common for everyone. Every business house was supposed to discard the plastic bags, and they have to introduce the different eco-friendly packings. Right? तो जो plastic bag eco-friendly नहीं थे, उनके business सबके ठप हो गए. So this legal environment was common for everyone. Economic, related to your economics. ठीक है. What are the conditions of our economy? वहां पे डिमांड एंड सप्लाई फोर्सेस कैसे वर्क कर रही हैं, इकोनॉमिक पॉलिसी में गवर्नमेंट ने कोई चेंज तो नहीं लेके आए, इट मे बी रिलेटेड विद द बजट्स एटसेट्रा. ठीक है. सो अबाउट दिस वी विल बी रीडिंग इन डिटेल. टेक्नोलॉजिकल, So it is again the common for everyone. Like every school nowadays is taking a pace with the technological advancement. Why and how? Because the era is like this. We are not calling the students to the school. So every teacher, every school is using the technology at most. Similarly, every company, every MNC is asking their workers to work from home. So definitely they are using technology from their home. So similarly, if your competitor is introducing certain technology in its field, in the manufacturing process, etc., you are also supposed to bring that technological changes in your business house. So technological जब changes आती हैं तो सबके लिए same आती हैं. Like nowadays, nobody stand in the queue, in the long queues of the banks, and they have the internet banking with them. They sit at their home, they just check the balance, they just transfer the money from one account to another, right? सिमिलरली टेक्नोलॉजी की अगर मैं बात करूं तो सारे बिजनेस हाउसेस के अपने क्या है, वेब पेजेस हैं, ऑनलाइन सामान को सेल करने का परमिशन दे ऑल आर इंट्रोड्यूसिंग. सो दिस इज व्हाट टेक्नोलॉजी चेंजेस सबके लिए क्या रहेंगे, सेम रहेंगे. पॉलिटिकल और इकोनॉमिक में हमेशा बच्चे कंफ्यूज हो जाते हैं. इकोनॉमिक इज रिलेटेड विद द इकोनॉमिक पॉलिसीज ऑफ द नेशन. दैट कैन बी द बैंक इंटरेस्ट रेट, that can be the demand and supply situation, that can be inflationary trend or deflationary trend running into the society, right? So political क्या है, decisions of the ruling government. Like at present हमारे जो सेंटर में है रूलिंग गवर्नमेंट बीजेपी की है, तो बीजेपी की गवर्नमेंट कोई भी डिसीजन लेगी तो वो पॉलिटिकल होगा और वो सबके लिए सेम हो. Like the ruling government BJP has taken the decision in 2016 of demonetization, so that was a political decision, right? बैंक में एफडीज के ऊपर इंटरेस्ट रेट कम हो गया है तो वो इकोनॉमिक है. गेटिंग इट? हमारी इकोनॉमी में डिफरेंट इकोनॉमिक फोर्सेस कैसे वर्क कर रही हैं, वहां पे डिमांड और सप्लाई की सिचुएशन कैसी है, वो इकोनॉमिक में आएगा. सो एनी ऑफ दैट यू कैन पिक फॉर योर प्रोजेक्ट. कोई एक एलिमेंट लेके आप उसे एलैबोरेट कर सकते हैं. अब मैं थोड़ी सी एग्जांपल यहाँ पे आपको प्रोजेक्ट के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से दे देती हूँ. फॉर एग्जांपल सोशल के ऊपर बहुत अच्छा प्रोजेक्ट बनता है, दैट इज increase in the number of working women since last 2 or 3 decades. पिछले 20 या 30 सालों में हमारी सोसाइटी में इतना चेंज आया कि पहले लोग नहीं परमिट करते थे या मेल मेंबर्स नहीं परमिट करते थे कि घर के वुमेन जाके बाहर कहीं काम करें, but now the whole scenario has been changed. And as the number of working women has been increased in our society, so many industries in our society has got flipped, like upliftment of so many industries are being there. That is the example of your automobile industry. As the working women number has increased, so they need their own vehicles to go at their workplace. So 2-wheelers और 4-wheeler की डिमांड बढ़ी है, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक गैजेट्स की डिमांड बढ़ी है, ठीक है. तो हमारी मोबाइल इंडस्ट्री के ऊपर इसका फर्क पड़ा है, कॉस्मेटिक इंडस्ट्रीज के ऊपर फर्क पड़ा है, हमारा अपैरल, ठीक है. So the women, they are moving out of the home, so they need different type of dresses, etc. Cosmetic industry, leather product की डिमांड बहुत ज्यादा क्या हुई है, इंक्रीज हुई है. कॉस्मेटिक इंडस्ट्री में यू कैन हैव द सो मेनी एग्जांपल्स ऑफ दीस थिंग्स, राइट? So electronic gadget में you can have the example of microwave, washing machine, because now they are not at home and they don't afford to do every work manually. They need certain kitchen gadgets. तो इन चीजों की डिमांड बहुत ज्यादा बड़ी है. So you can have the working women's list in your project. You can introduce how the social environment got changed and how the working women are coming out of the 4 walls of their homes and they are moving like men for the earning of bread out of their home, out of their household boundaries. They are coming out, so that you can introduce in your project and you can make a very good project. Every year the students present this project in a very nice way, and most of the girls, they come forward to prepare this project, whereby they take the social environment. This time also my examiner, she appreciated a lot when they see the project on social environment, and I myself also felt so happy that yes, women are coming. This is not a discrimination I'm discussing, like I'm discussing the social change which is being introduced in our society in the last 3 or 4 decades. Okay, so you being a boy also you can pick this project element as project. Being a girl you can also pick this project. सिमिलरली पॉलिटिकल एनवायरनमेंट पे बहुत अच्छा प्रोजेक्ट बनता है. रूलिंग गवर्नमेंट ने डिसीजन ले लिया था जब एलपीजी क्या करी थी, इंट्रोड्यूस करी थी, तो हमारे एमएनसीज एलपीजी से पहले हमारी एमएनसीज के ऊपर बैन लग गया था कि वो यहाँ पे आके प्रोडक्शन नहीं कर सकती, यहाँ पे अपना बिजनेस रन नहीं कर सकती. लेकिन जब वो बैन रिमूव किया गया और हमारी रूलिंग गवर्नमेंट ने एलपीजी LPG की introduction, I think that is not to be covered under the political environment, that is to be covered under economic environment. ठीक है, तो कभी हमारे कोका कोला और थम्स अप और पेप्सी के ऊपर बैन लग गया था, लेकिन जब से दोबारा से LPG इंट्रोड्यूस करी गई हमारी सोसाइटी में और हमारी इकोनॉमी में, तब ये they are being allowed to run their business. और LPG का मतलब ही क्या है? Liberalization, privatization and globalization. So our government allowed. That were the major economic reforms. You might read it or might have read in your economics class also. LPG के बारे में आपने पढ़ा होगा, तो इकोनॉमी के ऊपर भी अच्छा खासा प्रोजेक्ट बन जाता है, हर एलिमेंट पे बनता है भाई. लीगल में you can have the reference of so many different acts. ठीक है, 8 या 10 एक्ट्स लेके जो हमारे बिजनेस के ऊपर अप्लाई होते हैं, like child labor act is being applied to my business house ki children below the age of 14 you are not supposed to, 14 or 15 hai I think, so that you have to read carefully from the act, and that act you can introduce, you can give the reference of that act. then plastic ban का हो सकता है, और बहुत सारे एक्ट जिनका इन्फ्लुएंस हमारे बिजनेस हाउस के ऊपर पड़ता है, उन एक्ट्स की रेफरेंस आप लीगल एनवायरनमेंट में दे सकते हैं, राइट. so what is being left over? Technological. So technological में भी different technology हमारे business को कैसे क्या करती है, एक flip देती है, उन technologies के बारे में you can give the reference and you can prepare the project. So this was about your project. So half of the period I use for the project. मैं अलग से कभी भी project को time नहीं देती, जैसे जैसे chapter आते हैं I just give you the references and I tell you how you can make your project. ठीक है, so about these elements we are going to read in detail, but before that I must stress upon what is the meaning of business environment. So let me define business environment. He says business environment is not a single term, it is a sum total of so many forces. So let me tell you what according to him business environment is. Business environment is being defined as the sum total of forces which affect the functioning of the business, which affect the functioning of the business. जो हमारी business की functioning को affect करते हैं forces, उन सब का total कर दीजिए functioning of the business, तो आपका business environment बन जाता है. एक और बहुत अच्छी एग्जांपल हमेशा मेरे को लगती है और एक अच्छी लाइन लगती है मेरे को, पूरा यूनिवर्स ले लीजिए, जैसे सेट्स का चैप्टर आप मैथ्स में कभी किया करते थे, पूरा यूनिवर्स ले लीजिए, उसमें से अपना बिजनेस डिडक्ट कर दीजिए, जो रह जाएगा वो सारा क्या है? बिजनेस एनवायरनमेंट. सो लेट मी टेक द यूनिवर्स ओवर हियर. ये पूरा यूनिवर्स है जिसको मैं यू बोल रही हूँ, और ये आपका बिजनेस है जिसको मैं बी बोल रही हूँ. इस बी को बीच में से डिडक्ट कर दीजिए, जो भी रह गया वो सारा क्या है? एनवायरनमेंट. ठीक है, सो आपका अपना बिजनेस उसका इंटरनल एनवायरनमेंट है, लेकिन जो आपके बिजनेस के बाहर वाला एनवायरनमेंट और सराउंडिंग्स है, व्हिच आई जस्ट क्रॉस हियर, that whole universe, उसमें से अपना सबसेट क्या कर दीजिए? डिडक्ट कर दीजिए. your own subset is here being named as business. आप अपने बिजनेस हाउस को डिडक्ट और सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दीजिए. whatever is being left, that is your environment. ठीक है, so he says it is not only the forces, it is the individuals, it is the institutions and other forces that are out of the control of the business. आपके बिजनेस हाउस में जो हो रहा है उसके ऊपर आपका अच्छा खासा और पूरा कंट्रोल है, लेकिन आपके बिजनेस हाउस के बाहर जो हो रहा है वो आपकी क्या है? सराउंडिंग्स है. उनको आपको जज करना है, उनको आपको स्टडी करना है, उनको अपने अंडर कंट्रोल रखना है. इफ यू विल बी इग्नोरिंग दैट फोर्सेस, देन योर बिजनेस इज गोइंग टू बी अ फ्लॉप शो. If you want to run a successful business, then you need to focus upon these forces, right? So that forces we call the surroundings of our business, and that forces were being divided into two parts. One is what? General forces, and other is what? Specific forces. Examples बड़ी अच्छी दी हैं, क्योंकि examples वो case study में introduce कर देता है. So that examples I am going to read. So the individual consumer, competitive enterprises, as well as government, consumer groups, मैंने सारी examples beginning में दे दी. Competitors हमारा Supreme Court, High Court, media persons and other institutions. Working outside an organization, you know, media persons are also having a great influence on the working of my organization. If they will be printing and they will be announcing on their any channel that this business house is going to cheat with the workers, going to cheat with the consumer, जब ये negative report वो अपने channel में दिखाएंगे, that is going to affect my business house drastically. So we should have to maintain a good relationship with these media persons, right? So media is also one of the force which is going to affect our business. The important point in these that individuals, institutions and forces are likely to influence the performance I wrote the function of the business. So that's why it is very much important that we should understand it. We should study these forces so that my business should not be negatively affected. My business should have always have the positive effect of these forces. Then he quoted the examples directly here. Changes in the government's economic policies, rapid technological advancements, political uncertainties, क्योंकि बंगाल में कभी नहीं पता था कि वेस्ट बंगाल में होने वाला है कि मोदी की गवर्नमेंट बनेगी कि ममता बनर्जी की बनेगी. So that political uncertainties are also going to affect us a lot. ठीक है, जब कोई परमानेंट गवर्नमेंट हमारे नेशन को नहीं मिलती, उस केस में हमारे स्टॉक एक्सचेंज के प्राइसेस भी लगातार डाउन आने शुरू हो जाते हैं. दूसरी कंट्रीज में भी हमारी कंट्री के सिचुएशन को लेके अनसर्टेनिटीज और बातें बननी शुरू हो जाती है. सो इन दैट वे that is also going to affect our own business houses as well. Changes in the fashion, everyone knows. कभी जैसे बेल बॉटम का फैशन था, अगर मैं ट्राउजर्स की बात करूं, कभी टाइट जीन्स का फैशन आ गया. मतलब एवरी डे द फैशन गेट्स चेंज. ठीक है, वो पुराना जमाना मेरे को लगता है कि जब कोई नई मूवी रिलीज होती थी तो वहां पे जो कास्ट जैसी ड्रेसेस पहनती थी तो वही ड्रेसेस इन फैशन हो जाती थी, इन ट्रेंड हो जाया करती थी. आजकल न्यू मूवीज बीइंग रिलीज्ड इन द थिएटर्स एंड द पीपल आर नॉट सो मच क्रेजी अबाउट दैट, सो दे वेयर व्हाटएवर दे वांट, कंफर्टेबल फॉर देम, राइट. लेकिन फैशन में चेंज होने से हमारे बिजनेस पे इफेक्ट पड़ता है, लोगों के टेस्ट, लोगों के बिहेवियर में चेंज. लाइक अब कोविड-19 ने हमारी हेल्थ को हमारी प्रायोरिटी बना दी. So nowadays trend is what the people are going for health insurance policies most. Okay, most of the people, they are investing in the health insurance, right? They are taking those supplements which are going to boost up their immunity level. So it is what their taste, it is what their behavior, how they are changing in their behavior that is going to affect a lot on our business houses. Okay, so every business house which is dealing with this life-saving drugs, they are producing certain immunity booster product as well, because that is in great demand in the market. Then government का tax rate अगर change होगा, वो भी मेरे business को क्या करेगा, affect करेगा, etc., etc. So many examples he has quoted in this one paragraph, and that are very, very important for you to read. You need to retain it. NCERT wording seems to be tough in single reading. Once you will be reading it twice or thrice, you will start getting it. And then at the fourth reading, you will be able to retain it. Right? So whatever I read in the class, that you need to underline, okay? And then it's your duty to read it again in order to retain and in order to get the things, right? So on the basis of the lines I read, on the basis of the definitions I explained to you, now we have certain features. Okay? Our business environment has features. So let's read the features of BE. BE means business environment. Features of business environment I am going to teach you now. Features of business environment. First, totality of external forces. अभी मैंने definition में भी करवाया. It is a sum total of all the forces which are out the control of the business house, which are prevailing in your surroundings, and your surroundings are not always under your control, right? So that forces which are not in your control, that we call external forces. And that external forces are all of your 5 elements of this chapter: social, political, legal, technological, and economic, right? So this is what totality with single L, yes, totality of external forces. This is its feature. Don't consider that every force is under your control. It's not like so. Your forces are prevailing outside the business house. आपकी सराउंडिंग में ये forces क्या करती हैं, prevail करती हैं. इन सारे forces को अगर हम लोग add कर देते हैं तो यही हमारा business environment बनता है. Further, these forces are of 2 types, right? So he says forces are specific and general. That is also the feature. तो मैंने chapter start यही से किया था, specific and general forces. General forces which are common for everyone, वही 5 elements of business environment, and specific are varying from business to business. ठीक है, तो specific में आपके अपने customers होंगे, आपके shareholders होंगे, आपके अपने clients होंगे, आपके अपने suppliers होंगे, that are not same for every business house, right? So whatever lines he is writing in your book, let's see. Business environment includes both specific and general forces. Specific forces में he is putting the things in the bracket. We call it investors, customers, competitors and suppliers. जो आपके competitor हैं जरूरी नहीं है तो वो दूसरी firm के भी competitor होंगे. जो आपके customers हैं जरूरी नहीं है वो उनके भी कॉम्पिटिटर्स होंगे। आपको अगर 1 लाख डेली सेल हो रही है तो जरूरी नहीं है कि आपके कॉम्पिटिटर को भी सेम ही सेल हो, राइट? सो दीज फोर्सेस आर नॉट कॉमन फॉर एवरीवन। जनरल फोर्सेस के एग्जांपल पर उसने दी है वो पांचों एलिमेंट्स, इज राइट। नाउ वी हैव द नेक्स्ट फीचर इज इंटररिलेटेड। हमारे आसपास की सराउंडिंग्स में जो चेंज होता है उस चेंज के कारण हमारे बिजनेस को भी अपने आप में चेंजेस लानी होती है। जैसे मैंने अभी बोला, nowadays the people are crazy about gyms because they are giving the priority to their health. They are joining the yoga classes, they are taking the immunity boosters, they are taking the tulsi tea, etc. They are taking the fresh juices in order to maintain their immunity levels, right? So they are taking daily fruits. They may skip the food, but they are taking fruits because they consider that fruits are good to maintain their immunity level, right? So interrelatedness is the third feature. तो जैसे ही लोगों का हेल्थ कॉन्शियसनेस बढ़ा, हमारे बिजनेस हाउसेस ने भी उसके अकॉर्डिंग चेंजेस लानी शुरू कर दी। आजकल सारे प्रोडक्ट जो ऑयली है उसके बारे में मैन्युफैक्चरर्स दे आर सेइंग टू द कंज्यूमर्स और टू द व्यूअर्स इन देयर एडवर्टाइजमेंट दे आर दिस इज कोलेस्ट्रॉल फ्री, दिस इज फैट फ्री। लाइक कोल्ड ड्रिंक्स भी है तो sugar free they are manufacturing with zero sugar. They are producing the product for the diabetic patients and even for the normal patients. They are producing the product with very less sugar level, right? So जैसे जैसे बिजनेस में चेंजेस आती हैं वो किसके अकॉर्डिंग आती हैं? क्योंकि आपके कस्टमर्स के बिहेवियर में चेंजेस आ रही है, सोसाइटी में रहने वाले लोगों का सोशल सेटअप चेंज हो रहा है। They are considering something important for their life and that is what health nowadays, right? So let's read what he is saying. Different elements or the parts of the business environment are closely interrelated. ठीक है, अगर आपके सोशल एनवायरनमेंट में चेंज आई है, लाइक लोगों ने हेल्थ को प्रायोरिटी ज्यादा देनी शुरू कर दी है, तो बिजनेस हाउसेस में जो फूड स्टॉक बना रही थी कंपनीज, उन्होंने अपने फूड स्टॉक और बेवरेजेस में भी की मैन्युफैक्चरिंग रेसिपीज में भी क्या लेके आनी शुरू कर दी है, चेंजेस लेके आनी शुरू कर दी है। Like increased life expectancy of the people and increased awareness of health care have increased the demand for many health products and services like Diet Coke. You know Diet Coke is sugar free cold drink. ठीक है, फैट फ्री कुकिंग ऑयल आ रहे हैं, हेल्थ रिजॉर्ट्स खुल रहे हैं, जिम्स खुल रहे हैं, हेल्थ स्पास खुल रहे हैं, हेल्थ centers खुल रहे हैं whereby the people are going and they are considering and they are paying for taking certain yoga classes and health tips, etc. Right? So this is becoming important and accordingly the business houses are also producing new health products and services, right? As the people's lifestyles have got changed. This is what social environment में change आया, ठीक है? Then dynamic in nature, everyone knows environment is never to be static ना. Environment का मतलब ही क्या है? Which moves on changing, changing and changing. So fourth feature of our business environment is dynamic. It is never static. Environment हमेशा हमारे आसपास की surroundings हमेशा change होती रहती है. So what he says, business environment is dynamic in that it keeps on changing, whether in terms of technological improvement or shift in the consumer preferences, or even entry of the new competitor in the market. So it is going to be changed. Uncertainty. क्या बिजनेस एनवायरनमेंट के बारे में आप सर्टेनिटी से जान सकते हैं क्या होने वाला है? You can make just guesses, but you are not 100% sure what is going to happen in our society, even in the next day. हमें ये नहीं पता होता कि अगले दिन क्या होने वाला है, तो महीनों सालों का हम लोग गेस कैसे लगा सकते हैं? तो एनवायरनमेंट में चेंजेस को हम बिफोर हैंड प्रेडिक्ट नहीं कर सकते, continuously it is changing. Then we have the sixth feature, that is complexity. It is very complex. जब मैं इसको कहती हूँ it is a sum total of so many forces, it means it is very complex to understand it precisely. इसको समझना और इसको इवन समझाना दूसरे को भी बहुत मुश्किल है, what is being included and what is not being included herein. So that's why we call it is an important feature of your business environment which we call complexity. I have to tell you certain highlighting lines which you have to mark from your book. That are see, since the business environment consists of numerous interrelated and dynamic conditions or forces which arise from different sources. इसमें specific forces भी हैं, इसमें general forces भी हैं, उन सारे forces का जब हम total कर लेते हैं तो कहता है वो business environment बनता है. So it becomes very difficult to comprehend at once what exactly constitute a given environment. कहता तो एक बार में ये बताना कि what actually is being included in the business environment, that becomes very difficult for us. It is very difficult to interpret the forces into detail. In other words, environment is complex phenomena that is relatively easier to understand in parts but difficult to grasp it in totality. इसको टोटल करके समझना मेरे लिए बहुत मुश्किल है. हम इनको अगर पार्ट्स में समझने की कोशिश करेंगे, जैसे मैंने आपको बोल दिया सोशल, so it comes to your mind, it related with traditions, culture and consumers behavior. ठीक है. I told you about technological, so it is being related with the technology. लेकिन जब मैं इसको सबको combine कर देती हूँ, तो it becomes very difficult for me to grasp the things, right? Relativity. Next feature of business environment is relativity. अभी डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चन नहीं आएगा. He will be putting a case study and he will be asking from you कि कौन-कौन से फीचर बिजनेस एनवायरनमेंट के यहाँ पे डिस्कस हुए हैं. Relativity का मतलब क्या है? It is differing from place to place, it is differing from state to state, it is differing from region to region, and even if it is differing from country to country, then you will not be surprising कि हर जगह का environment अलग-अलग है. Like demand of sarees are very much high in my Indian culture, but it is not so in America and Japan. They are not knowing that Indian culture, they are preferring to wear the Western dresses, right? So it is going to change from place to place. It is going to change from country to country, right? So business environment is a relative concept, relative concept, since it differs from country to country and even region to region. Political condition जो यूएसए की है जरूरी नहीं इंडिया और जापान में भी वैसी ही हो. जो पाकिस्तान की political condition है जरूरी नहीं है वो इंडिया और चाइना में भी वैसी ही हो. ठीक है. So it is going to change from place to place. पाकिस्तान अभी भी हमारा अंडर डेवलप्ड नेशन माना जाता है, एक पुअर नेशन माना जाता है, जिसमें इतनी ज्यादा टेक्नोलॉजिकल एडवांसमेंट नहीं हुई. तो जितनी जापान और चाइना ने टेक्नोलॉजिकल एडवांसमेंट कर ली है या यूएसए ने कर ली है, सेम लेवल वी कांट एक्सपेक्ट इन पाकिस्तान, राइट, इन नेपाल, बिकॉज दे आर द पुअर नेशंस, दे आर द अंडर डेवलप्ड नेशंस, राइट. So this is what we call relativity. Till now, if you are having any doubt, any query, you may ask. Any doubt to anyone, you may